I'm a drug dealer.
Wrong. Million times worse. You're a tax cheat. What do? They take every penny and you go in the can for felony tax evasion. Ouch! What was your mistake? You didn't launder your money. Now, you give me your money, okay? That's called placement. Hand me that little thing, Ben. This is the nail salon, right? I take your dirty money and I slip it into the salon's nice, clean cash flow. That's called layering. Final step, integration. The revenues from the salon go to the owner. That's you. Your filthy drug money has been transformed into nice, clean, taxable income brought to you by a savvy investment in a thriving business.